Today's lesson will be on the water or the hydraulic cycle. Please pay close attention because at the end there will be a short quiz. The water cycle is the natural constant circulation of water on Earth. The heat from the sun evaporates the liquid water from the Earth, where it condenses in the clouds, and when the clouds cool down, then the water falls back to Earth in the form of evaporation. The water cycle never really ends, but it does slow down from time. The water cycle consists of condensation, precipitation, and evaporation. There is also one other cycle called runoff. The water cycle is endless. There are periods when it appears that the cycle has stopped, but that's never the case. It only slows down. Condensation collects in the clouds like it does on a cold glass. Once the evaporation reaches the clouds, it just collects and binds together and condenses and waits for the air to cool enough, at which time it will fall to the earth again. Precipitation is the rain or snow that falls from the clouds after the air in the clouds has cooled. Precipitation falls to the earth and it waters our flowers and it provides this nice beautiful snow cap on top of the mountains. Runoff is the precipitation or the rain that flows from higher to lower ground in the form of a river or stream. Usually this flows from the mountains to the lower lying areas. Evaporation is what heat causes water to change from liquid to gas. Water vapors rise from the earth and they collect in the clouds. Click on the box entitled The Water Cycle. You will watch a short video that will explain the water cycle in a little more detail. At the end of the video, please proceed to the self-check questions.
This single, it may have been pumped from deep underground, where it's been trapped for the past 5,000 years. Before that, it may have once been a drop in an ancient sea. Later, it may have existed as an ice crystal in a glacier, or been part of a cloud high in the sky. How does water change from one form to another? The answer lies in something called the water cycle. The water cycle is the continual movement of water from sources of liquid water to the air and then back to Earth. The water cycle is going on constantly all around us, even though we may not realize it. There are three very important processes at work in the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Let's take a closer look at the water cycle and see just how water changes from one form to another.
Now, check your understanding of the water cycle. Answer each question to the best of your ability.